and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous project, we have learned that how to build one recipe app project in JavaScript, and I hope you all enjoyed that project. Now, in this project, we will see that how to build one new simple tip calculator project in JavaScript, and I hope you will also enjoy this project like our previous project of JavaScript. So, let's start. Now over here you can see I've just made this new tip calculator simple project over here. So just before that, if you are new over here, so please hit the subscribe button for getting this more content, because it's motivate me to make more videos like that and more games in JavaScript for you in the future coming up videos. So please hit the subscribe button. So now we will start. So I will just zoom in so you can see. So in this step, in this tip calculator over here you can see, if I just press this one over here, you can see there are two arrows which is going, one is going up and one is going down. Okay, so if I just press this up one, so my number is going just above. Okay, here you can see that 9, and now it has been just changed to 10, then 11, 12, 13. Okay, and you can just, when you will press that, so your number will be just going down. Okay, so it will be just giving you tip over here. If you just press that, so over here you can see it is just giving you tip, like you should tip $1.50 on $10. Okay, so it is just giving you tip of every number. So if I write 100 and if I press tip, so over here you can see now it is giving you tip of like $15 on $100. Okay, you should tip $15 on $100 over here. It is just giving you tip. Okay, so this is a tip calculator. Okay, so now for making that, you have to open your text editor, which is called brackets, and over here I have just created these files. So I will just delete these file because don't I will just work with my only file of HTML. Okay, so now over here, first of all, I will not link any of the style sheet. I will just write the style tag and I will design that. Okay, in my HTML sheet only. Like I've telling you how to write JavaScript code in HTML file by writing the script tag. We will just define all the tags of JavaScript. Okay, so first of all, here we have to write HTML tags. So I will write h1, and over here I will write tip calculator. Okay, so I will write tip calculator, and now I will just come over here and I will just write h1 again, and now over here I will write like, just first of all erase that and write button. Okay, so I will write over here tip 1. So I will write tip 1, and now just when you've done that, you have to do like come over here and now just go above and just come over here and write input tag, and with that I will just write placeholder, and in that I will just define like, just come over here and now here you have to write like, just write number. Okay, so I will write number, and over here I will write arrows. Okay, and over here I will write up down. Okay, so write over here up and down. So now when you've done that, just write up and down. So there will be coming two arrows which will be just going up and down. So I will just hit save over here, and now your work has been done of HTML. Okay, so because there was only one input and only one button which you have to define. Okay, so I will just come over here now and I will style that by writing that. So I will just come over here and I will write style tag. Okay, so write style tag, and in that I will just write my all the styling which I want to. So I will come over here and I will first of all write margin, which should be 0 pixel. Write the padding should also be 0 pixel. Right box sizing should be border box. So I will define border box. And now just come over here and write justify content in center. So I will write justify content center. Come over here and write over here align items in center. So I will write align item center. Just come and write font size, which should be like 14 pixel. Write font weight, which should be 500, and right over here font family, which should be Montserrat. So I will write Montserrat, comma sans serif. Now just when you've done that, press enter again, and now here I will write like text justify. So now the text justify I will write off auto, and just come over here again, and now here I will write background only, which should be white. So I will define white, and now just come over here again, and here I will write like border. So the border I want of one big solid, which should be now black. Okay, so I will just write black color over here by writing this 000 with the hashtag. Okay, because it is a color code of black which we are defining. So come over here, write body tag, and with that I will just come and I will write border 1 big solid, and over here I will write, just come and write like that, and write over here solid, and over here I will write white. So just come and write border color, which should be white. So I will define white, then write over here outline. Okay, so I will write over here outline should be none. So I will define none, then come over here. Okay, so just erase that and just come over here and write outline none, then write the border also be none. So I will write border none. So now just come over here and write justify content in center, And now just when you have done that, just you have to write center, then write align items in center. So I will define align items center, then come over here again and write over here like display, which should be now block only. So I will define block. Now just when you've done that, come over here again, and here I will write another thing which is called text justify. So I will write the text justify, which should be now inherit. So I will write inherit, and just I will erase this as from here and write over here. Now just you have to do like that. When you've done that, just come over here, and now here when you've done these all things, just you have to write anything which is called font. Okay, so I will just erase that because I don't need it. So now over here I will just come and I will write flex wrap should be wrap, and now just I will now write font size, which should be 16 pixel, write font weight, which should be 700. So I will write 700. Come over here and write font family, which should be like open sans. So I will write open, so erase that and write like that, open sans. So now when you've done that, write comma sans serif. Just when you've done these all things, just come over here, write flex direction, which should be column. I will write column, and now just come and write flex basis, which should be over here. It should be now auto also. So I will just hit save over here, and now when you've done that, just we have to write our JavaScript codes now. So I will come over here and I will write script and press tab, then come over here and write over here like function first of all. So I will write function, write const, and just come over here and write let, and over here I will write const equal document dot query selector. So now when you have done that, just you have to do like that and write over here like const. So I will write const over here. Now I will just come and I will write let function. Okay, so just erase this and I'll write let function equal document. Okay, so write document dot query selector. Now just when you've done that, come over here and write function because it is a tag. So I will define that. Just write let, and over here I will write let direction equal document dot query selector, again query selector, and write over here like just come and write direction. And now just when you've done that, come over here and write calculator. Okay, so I will write calculator dot add event listener. I will write add event listener, then come over here and write query. Just first of all write direction over here, and now when you've done that, just write over here dot const and write dot function over here, and write over here let again. Now just when you've done that, come over here and write over here like document dot function and write direction dot const, and over here I will come and I will write over here like apply to all. So I will write apply, so write over here apply to all. Now just when you've done that, write dot const over here dot let. Just come over here again, write function, and over here I will write direction. Okay, so just come and write direction dot, and over here I will write after dot const, and over here I will write floor, and I will write length dot random. Now just when you've done that, come over here and write random dot floor, right over here direction dot const, and over here I will write floor. Just when you've done that, write over here button dot on click and write dot random over here. Now just we have done till over here. Just when you've done that, come and write let dot floor dot direction, and over here I will write const dot floor again, and over here I will write random dot function dot button. Now when you've done that, just come over here and write button dot add event listener, and write over here dot const dot floor, write random dot function like that. And now when you've done that, just write random dot floor now, and write add event listener again with dot floor dot random, and write const dot function. Okay, so now just when you've done that over here, just write t over here. Okay, so write like that. Now just press backspace. Now we have done till over here. Just when you've done that, hit save, and now it will be just, if I show you over here by going like that, and if I just make another file over here, okay, so just go over here and just write anything which I will write like, I will just write one tip. Okay, so I will write over here tip calculator. Okay, so now just I will write correct spelling calculator. Now like that I will write hit save over here, and now if I show you, it will be just looking like that. Okay, so now just go to Google Chrome, and over here you can see how beautiful our tip calculator is looking. So if I write any of the tip like 10, and if I press this tip 1 button, so over here you can see now it has been just coming the tip which is called usual tip, $1.50 on $10. Here you can see that. Okay, so it has been just giving us a tip. Okay, so if I write 90 tip 1, and over here you can see again another tip is coming which is called $13.50 on $90 usual just tip on. Okay, so like that you can make your own new tip calculator simple project in JavaScript. So I hope you understand this project and I hope you also enjoy this project like you're enjoying my previous project of JavaScript. So just you have to practice these all projects we are working with, and I hope you will be a good programmer of JavaScript also like you're of Python and HTML and CSS. So please, if you want more videos like that, so subscribe to my channel and please like my videos because it's motivate me to make more videos for you in the coming of future videos. Okay, so I will just meet you in next project. So for today, good bye.